Welcome to TerraNaturals, nature's touch in every drop. Create your own soaps, shampoos, bioenzyme products with TerraNaturals bases. Ready to use premium bases for easy customization. Craft your own soaps with our soap base. Create natural and herbal shampoos with our shampoo base. Eco-friendly bioenzyme products with our citrus bioenzyme base. Today in this video, let's dive into our soap bases and explore their pH values. Make your own soap with hope. Don't forget to check the pH value no matter which brand you buy. The right base, the right choice. Glycerin soap base and goat milk soap base now available at TerraNaturals. We only making glycerin and goat milk soap bases because we need to keep it simple, easy and effective. Glycerin is great for moisture and goat milk is gentle and nourishing. By focusing on just these two, we ensure you have a reliable base for all your creative soap projects. Now let us check out the pH value of our soap bases, glycerin soap base and goat milk soap base. This pH strip I bought it on Amazon. You can get it on Amazon or Flipkart. The pH value of a good soap base usually ranges from 7 to 9. Both our glycerin and goat milk soap bases have a pH of 8. This is normal for many soaps. Soap is made through a process called saponification, which naturally creates a slightly alkaline product. A soap base with a pH of 8 cleans well and works well for many uses. So, when you buy a soap base, always check the pH along with the ingredients. Now, let's dive into our shampoo bases, pearly white shampoo and transparent shampoo and their pH values. Transparent shampoo base, crystal clear appearance, ideal for herbal and colorful shampoo formulations, easy to customize with extracts, fragrance and essential oils, gentle cleansing with rich foam, suitable for all hair types. Pearly white shampoo base. Rich pearly white appearance gives a premium and luxurious look, smooth texture with creamy, rich lather, easy to customize with active ingredients and fragrances, gentle on the scalp and suitable for all hair types. Let's check out the pH value of pearly white shampoo base and transparent shampoo base. Add some DM water to the shampoo base and check the pH value. It shows the pH value of 6. It is gentle and scalp friendly. This pH value helps maintain the hair's natural moisture while providing effective cleansing. Let's dive into Citrus Bioenzyme and its pH value. A naturally fermented citrus bioenzyme made from citrus peels, jaggery and water. With a pH value of 5, citrus bioenzyme is mildly acidic, making it suitable for use in homemade personal care and homemade personal care formulations. Take some citrus bioenzyme in a glass container and check its pH value. For citrus bioenzyme, pH value ranges from 3 to 5 is good to go. To use citrus bioenzyme as it is, dilute with water before use. Use as a natural floor cleaner Clean kitchen countertops, sinks, and bathroom surfaces can be used as a fruit and vegetable wash, suitable for making homemade cleaners, soaps, shampoos, and other DIY cleaning products.